Hello everyone. In this session, I will show you installation of Davi RF laser source. In front of us, this is new laser source to be installed. Before assemble to laser machine, I will assemble the mounting plate beforehand. The laser output is in my left hand side. The cooling fan faces toward to me. Place the mounting plate, then align the fixing hole. This is the shape and direction it should be. Fix screws, but leave some space, allow adjustment. Then, I need to align two mounting plates to be parallel. Let me check what distance it is between them. The distance of near end is 255 millimeters. 252 millimeters in the middle. The far end is about 255 millimeters. This is not acceptable. Let me align it to 253 millimeters for all ends in this case. It may be different in your case. I will refer to heatsink groove to align. Ensure screws they are loosen enough. Align the edge against to groove. Then tighten the screws. After we've done the left-hand side, I need to check where we are right now. The near end is 251 millimeters. Far end is 254 millimeters. Loosen the screws. And calibrate from the middle. It is 253 millimeters, then tighten the screw nearby. Check and align the near end to ensure distance is 253 millimeters. Far end the same steps. Distance is 253 millimeters. At last, tighten all the screws. Place the laser source on the bracket. The cooling fan face to tower. Tear off the dust-proof tape of the laser source outlet, also the dust-proof tape of the expander inlet. Align with the mounting hole. Fix the screws, but leave some space for adjustment. Align the second hole. Next is the third one. Move the laser source toward expander slowly. Then, align dust ring and output with no gap. This side is aligned, but the other side, there is a gap. So it needs to be adjusted. Now it is aligned on both sides. The laser path alignment needs edge to edge aligned. That is, dust ring edge to output edge need to be aligned. If the laser source is shifted left or right, laser path will not be centered. In my case, the dust ring is aligned with output of laser source vertically and horizontally. After alignment, tighten the screws. Insert the Ethernet cable. Connect the power supply cable. 48 volts DC. Black wire is 0 volts. Tighten the screws. Install the two side panels. Please pay attention to its direction. Organize pins and wires. Install the upper cover. Fix the screws. M4, middle, and M6, both sides. Mount the back lid. Fix the screws. Install the plastic clips. Install the lower part first. Tighten the screw. Put the wire tube into the slot. Then install the plastic buckle on the upper side. Fix the screws. Tighten the screw. Wrap it by insulation tape. This video tutorial is completed. Thank you.